Hey, science lovers! Today we're diving into 15 mind-blowing facts that will make you see the world in a whole new way. From the mysteries of space to the wonders of the human body, science is full of surprises. Get ready to have your mind blown wide open. We're talking about things that'll make you say, "Whoa, I never knew that." So, buckle up because we're about to blast off on a journey of discovery. Are you ready to explore the universe and beyond? Let's get started. Did you know that space is completely silent? In space, there's no air to vibrate. It's a vacuum, really empty. If you were floating out there without a radio, you'd hear nothing. So, next time you watch a sci-fi movie, remember it's just for dramatic effect. Let's talk about volcanoes, but not the kind you see erupting here on Earth. On Mars, the biggest volcano in our solar system resides, Olympus Mons. Imagine Mount Everest. Now, picture a volcano nearly 3 times its height. That's Olympus Mons, towering at 16 miles high. It's so wide it would cover New Mexico. Standing at its base, you wouldn't see the summit. It curves beyond the horizon. We've all been there. You find a jar of something in the back of your pantry, check the expiration date, and groan, it's way past its prime. But there's one food that never goes bad. Honey! That's right. Honey is nature's eternal food. Archaeologists have discovered pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old. And guess what? It's still perfectly edible. Honey has a few secret weapons against spoilage. It's incredibly low in moisture, has a high sugar content, and contains enzymes that produce hydrogen peroxide, a natural antiseptic. So the next time you reach for a jar of honey, remember that you're enjoying a food that's been enjoyed for millennia. Let's take another trip into space, this time to our closest planetary neighbor, Venus. Now, Venus is a pretty strange place. It's scorching hot, covered in volcanoes, and has a toxic atmosphere. But one of the weirdest things about Venus is its day. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Venus rotates so slowly on its axis that it takes a whopping 243 Earth days to complete one rotation, which is what we define as a day. But it only takes Venus 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun, which is what we call a year. Lightning. It's one of nature's most awe-inspiring and terrifying displays of power. A single bolt of lightning contains enough energy to toast 100,000 slices of bread. That's enough toast to feed a small army for breakfast. A lightning bolt can heat the surrounding air to 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. So, the next time you see a thunderstorm rolling in, remember that you're witnessing one of nature's most impressive energy releases. Have you ever noticed that you seem a little taller in the morning than you are at night? It's actually a real phenomenon. Throughout the day, as you go about your daily activities, the cartilage in your spine compresses due to gravity. Cartilage is that rubbery, shock-absorbing material between your vertebrae, and it acts like a cushion. So as you stand, walk and move around, the cartilage in your spine compresses slightly, making you a tiny bit shorter. While you sleep, your spine gets a break from all that compression. The cartilage has a chance to expand back to its original size, and you wake up a little bit taller. Octopuses. They're strange, they're smart, and they're masters of camouflage. But did you know that these amazing creatures have 3 hearts and blue blood? That's right, 3 hearts. 2 of their hearts are dedicated to pumping blood through the gills, which is how octopuses breathe underwater. The 3rd heart pumps blood to the rest of the body, taking care of all the other organs. And the blue blood? That's because octopus blood contains a protein called hemocyanin, which binds to oxygen and carries it throughout the body. So instead of the iron-based hemoglobin that gives our blood its red color, octopuses rely on blue, copper-rich hemocyanin. Humans share about 60% of their DNA with bananas. Sounds crazy, right? We share a surprising amount of genetic information. All living things evolved from a common ancestor. The DNA codes for basic cellular functions essential for life. So remember, you're looking at a distant relative. Let's finish our journey to the center of the Earth. We can't dig that deep. The pressure and heat are too intense. Seismic waves reveal the core is a hot ball of iron and nickel. How hot? 9,932 degrees Fahrenheit. This heat comes from radioactive decay of elements like uranium and thorium. Remember, deep down, our planet is dynamic and powerful. And there you have it, 15 incredible science facts that show just how amazing our world and universe are. From the silent vacuum of space to the powerful heart of our planet, science is full of surprises that challenge our assumptions and ignite our curiosity. So the next time you encounter something you don't understand, don't just shrug it off. Ask questions, explore, and never stop learning. If you enjoyed this journey into the fascinating world of science, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more mind-blowing content, and share your favorite fact in the comments below. Thanks for watching and keep exploring the wonders of science.